Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are not familiar with me, my name is Jasmine, and today I'll be teaching you how I made this cute little drawstring bag for my headphones. And you can make this bag for anything, in any size. Spooky and Libra season is coming up, so this could be a cool gift idea. Just saying. Usually drawstring bags require sewing, but to be honest, I'm not the greatest at sewing, and I'm a little lazy, but you know what, I'll get there. So, I gave it my twist and made it as a no-sew bag to save you time, and for those in the same boat as me. Let's get started with the materials. You need some fabric or an old t-shirt. The key ingredient, fabric tape. Some lace, or you can use some shoelaces. Your measuring devices. Some colorful pens for my visual learners. Some scissors, of course. And a safety pin. The other pins are just there for the bite. Don't worry about those. Now before we get started, from my experience and from the fabric tape's instructions, it is best to wash your fabric beforehand and make sure it has no wrinkles. Complete, place your fabric on a flat surface and fold it in half evenly. Now I'm going to start making my seams. I measured out my seams to be ½ inch in order to match my fabric tape size and to securely attach it. A little tip for me, if you're making this bag for a particular object, make sure to measure your fabric ahead of time, including your object's measurement, seam size, and some extra room space if needed. Don't need an eyeball or guesstimate like I did in the video. In the making of this video, I got excited and I just went for it. So much for measuring devices, am I right? To create the section for the drawstrings to take action. For the seams I used a black pen, and for this part I will use a blue pen. It is best to measure your lace's width to make the fold we're going to create. My lace measured around ½ inch wide. To achieve the folds, you will need to create 4 horizontal bars that are ½ inch wide as well. For future reference, I filled in the first bar and the 4th bar because I will be attaching these two pieces together with fabric tape. To make sure you have an opening for the drawstrings, I am filling the sides of the 2 middle bars in red to remind myself to not tape them together. If you fold your fabric together like me, make sure to make your opening after the taping. Now I'm making sure that my headphones still fit even after the scrunching action. Now I will measure out the bottom seam, but you can do that much earlier if you like. And now it's ready for taping and for ironing together. Once the taping and ironing is done, go ahead and cut the opening that is needed and start ironing the drawstring section. I also wanted to give another reminder to make sure to tape down the 2 blue parts together and nothing else. Once all of the taping is complete, you can turn your bag inside out and get started with the last step. So the drawstring's length should be twice the size of the bag's width. A quick method I did was to wrap the lace between my fingers 4 times the width of the bag. Now grab your safety pin and connect it to the lace and insert it inside the bag. And there you have it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video. I hope I inspired you guys to make something cool for like spooky season or for someone's birthday this month or coming month. Alright, so see you guys next time. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram @jazzyboot_ and say something nice to yourself today.